pickup is good. It feels nice and comfortable to drive. It feels as though you are driving a hatchback. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This is Supercar GK. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for new video notifications. This is Maruti Suzuki XL6, the premium 6-seater MPV. Has two variants, Zeta and Alpha. Alpha being the top variant. Both the variants are in manual and automatic. This is a hybrid car with 17 to 19 kilometers per liter mileage and is available in only 1.5 liter petrol engine. Talking about its front profile, it has a beautiful quad LED headlamps with the DRLs and an indicator. It has a beautiful black grille with the chrome crossbar running across the grille and is in line with the DRLs with a Suzuki logo at the center. Have fog lamps and is surrounded by the black cladding. It has a skid plate in the front. The body lines on this bonnet is pointing at the grille and it gives a sporty look. Moving to its side profile, it has 15-inch black alloy wheels with Maruti logo at the center. Front wheel gets a disc brake and rear wheels gets drum brake. It has black cladding and this cladding moves till the rear. It has black ORVMs with side indicators on it. These are electrically adjustable ORVMs. It has integrated roof rails, chrome door handles. This body line gives a nicer look to the car. From the side it looks stylish, but the wheels look much smaller to its proportion to the car. Talking about rear profile, it has a high mount stop light, rear defogger, rear wiper, gets 3D LED tail lamps with light guides, Maruti logo at the center, chrome decorated tailgate, smart hybrid badging here, reflectors for safe highway driving, have skid plates at the rear as well. Overall the rear looks stylish. So let's open the boot. XL6 gets 209 liter boot space, gets multiple spaces to store small items. Here is the toolkit. If you want to increase the more boot space, we can even fold this third row. This is a 50-50 split seats. Fold this for more space. This gives enough boot space, but once we fold the third row, this becomes a 4-seater with a large boot space. Let's move to the front row. Have chrome door handles. In the door, this silver line and this wood finish gives a nicer look to the door. Have chrome door handles. Door armrest have controls for power windows and ORVM controls. Have bottle holder. This driver seat have seat height adjustment and lumbar support adjustment. The seat is wider and comfortable, and the cushioning is very soft. Good thigh support and lumbar support as well. Flat bottom steering. with Maruti logo at the center. The audio and phone controls are mounted. Have a start stop button. Have a beautiful instrument cluster. It gets all black interiors. The dash looks stylish and quite modern. These horizontal lines look nice. There is a wooden finish which looks nice, and this silver line runs across the door and the instrument panel, which looks beautiful. Overall, the interiors look premium. Gets a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Have auto AC. There are two cup holders here and 12-volt charging socket. Gear lever. Center armrest gets leather, and the center armrest is a sliding option, and there is a utility below this armrest, maybe to store important things like your wallet. Let's move to second row. Second row gets captain seats with front and back sliding option to have more leg space. This seat is soft and have good lumbar support and have good thigh support as well. Have enough space so that you can stretch your legs. Gets a high mounted AC vents with speed control for second row and third row. Have a 12-volt charging socket and a bottle holder at the doors. Let's get into the third row. I need to fold this seat, push it forward. It is quite difficult to get into the third row, but once you get in, it is little comfortable, but have very little leg space to sit. Gets a adjustable headrest. This is a bottle holder and a charging port. Once you get into the third row, you can fold the middle seats by pressing this, then fold and get out. Then it is little difficult to get in and get out from the third row. Let's start the car. It supports a push start and stop button. There is a indication for your seat belt. Let's wear the seat belt and start. Pickup is good. It feels nice and comfortable to drive. It feels as though you are driving a hatchback. Even though the car is big, it's a 6-seater, but it appears to be like we are driving a hatchback. It gives a comfortable driving position and a nicer road view. The suspension is slightly on the stiffer side. The gears are very short, it's comfortable. Clutch is light. Car dynamics is really good to drive. There's no body roll. The body roll is under control. You can hardly hear any engine noise or vibration in the cabin. The engine is smooth and refined. In fact, you can see the car above 100 km speed quickly. This car can do 0 to 100 kilometers in about 14 seconds. Remember, this is a MPV or even called people's carrier. So the main focus would be on comfortness and styling rather than pickup or high performance. Since it is a hybrid car, the energy from battery assists engine during acceleration to improve the pickup and fuel efficiency. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for new video notifications. Also do like, share and comment.